Bangladesh's leading business group Pran is expanding its footprints in China by joining the 5th China International Import Expo. As the largest agribusiness and plastic product manufacturer in Bangladesh, it is currently exporting products to 145 countries. Pran's managing director Elashim Rida says the CIAE offers an excellent platform for global companies to explore and expand in the Chinese market.
We want to explore this opportunity and also we want to grab this market potentiality. So we have decided to exhibit our products into the Chinese CIA fair. I hope that Chinese consumer will enjoy our taste and our quality products.
He also says economic and trade cooperation between China and Bangladesh is fruitful and he is looking forward to more such cooperation so as to drive growth in his country.
We have been acquiring a lot of equipments from China, as well as we are bringing a lot of Chinese technology to our country to enrich our industrial growth. We are buying their equipments and they are sending their people to train our people. And also we have sent our several people to China for train our people. I hope that in the future also China would be our very long-term business partner and economic partner for Bangladesh growth. We appreciate his long life.